Welcome. In front of me is a LG V60, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and go to the second page where you will find the Do Not Disturb toggle. Now the position of it might vary a bit, so it might not be in the exact same place, but it should be somewhere in between all the toggles here. So from there, before you tap on it, you want to hold it to go to the settings, and you have a schedule, which you can set a schedule that will allow the Do Not Disturb mode to turn on and off automatically at specific days of the week and times. So it's fairly self-explanatory. You can see one example of it right here. So I'm gonna skip this, and then you have select priorities. So this is probably the more important one. So you have calls from, and you can set who can call you while the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. So you have no one, everyone, contacts, or favorites. Now, everyone defeats the purpose of this. No one is, in my opinion, a little bit too restrictive. Favorites probably is the best option, and only your favorite contacts will be able to call you. While contacts just includes everybody who's on your contact list, and might be a little bit too wide. Then you also have a repeat caller. If you check this on, no matter what the setting is here, so for instance, you can have no one can call you, and if same person calls you twice within a 15-minute period, they will actually be still able to call you the second time around. It's a good option to have in terms of some kind of emergency. Usually people call frequently in this time, and it's a little bit shorter than 15-minute period time. So like I said, it's good for emergency. And then you have messages, gives you the same options as calls. So select whatever you want. And basically once that's set, you're all set up. And apart from the schedule, you can still enable and disable it manually by simply tapping on a toggle like so. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.